So guys, in my last video this keyboard didn't turn on by using the nickel metal hydride or alkaline battery. So these are the 1.2 volt rechargeable batteries, nickel metal hydride, and this is a non-rechargeable alkaline battery. Let me show the general purpose battery. You can see it is non-rechargeable, but all this nickel cadmium battery and nickel metal hydride battery, the rechargeable. So what you have to do, first you have to switch it on your keyboard, then why it is not taking autofocus. Then before it turns off quickly, navigate using function button and keep pressing until you find the battery option. Here you went to the battery option and you can navigate either alkaline battery or nickel metal hydride battery. So after navigating, you can use the C3 key to select, or anyways it gets automatically locked. Then you can go to your favorite string or favorite voice and keep playing your song. Sorry, the volume is low.